And the baby is enjoying even more. So is the mummy. I don't know about you guys, but I love walking around in the train when it's moving. Here is the engine. It's brought us here. Okay. Oh wow. That
With
looks
some
nice.
vanilla ice cream.
Oh, brilliant.
Chocolate fudge cake.
Oh, that one must be mine.
ये दोनों मेरे हैं. Some tea for you, okay? Your
Oh, you see? This is
But
what
no,
I normally see. So much steam is coming out. I have a surprise for you.
पता ना.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel.
Hi everyone. Hello and assalamu alaikum.
Yeah. So where are we today?
Harroway railway station. We're gonna take a steam train which is going to take us around Lake District, and we are super excited, super excited. Super excited because we've been to Lake District before, but we've never taken a train.
Yeah.
And these are not ordinary trains. Is कैसी हैं ये trains बताना और दिखाना.
Yeah, it runs from a steam engine.
ये तो वैसे ही एक पड़ी हुई है ना बाहर. But ours is going to run on the tracks like behind this
Station.
देखो. So they've recently like painted it and put up like new boards, and it's so pretty. It's like सीधा हम किसी मूवी सेट में आ गए. Honestly looks unreal. इतना मुझे cute सा बनाया हुआ है देखो.
Yeah. It looks like it's maintained as well. The grass and everything else, the bushes. This is a cafeteria, I think.
हाँ, जहाँ से हम भी
So,
बैठ के कुछ
station.
खाएंगे मीठा.
Yes. With the risk of missing our next train as well.
नहीं.
So you want to tell what happened?
Oh, so we got here at 3:07.
Yeah.
And our train was supposed to leave at 3:10.
Yes.
पर वो बोले जा रही थी.
Yeah.
But क्योंकि खिज़र कोई sense of urgency मुझे खिज़र को देख के आनी थी, तो मैंने कहा शायद chill है तो
Because you
खड़े
said it's gonna wait until 3:30.
whatever, ठीक है. और
Yeah.
बस वो निकल गई, and we were standing right there at the platform और
Yeah.
बस हम देख रहे थे उसको जाते हुए. ठीक है, वो देखो.
Yeah, that's the actual station. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll just zoom in. Haverthwaite station.
Okay, so that's the gift shop, the souvenir shop over there.
Yeah,
And
this one.
then there's a play area on the other end.
And that's where it's gonna come from. And we'll show you guys when it arrives.
Excited. Please don't miss this board.
Okay.
Sticky coffee flavored sticky coffee ice cream. And one chocolate fudge cake with ice cream. And are you serving tea?
Serving what?
Tea.
Yeah.
And a cup of tea, please. मीठा ना मिस हो जाए.
As always. So as you guys are already probably aware of our appetite for food, and we had to get something to eat while we wait for the train to arrive. So here is Sahil and Mira.
Loves his chips.
Yes, and we got some food as well.
कभी ट्रेन स्टेशन पे बैठ के ऐसा मीठा लाइफ में नहीं खाया. Sticky
Okay.
coffee
Oh wow, that
with
looks
some
nice.
vanilla ice cream.
Oh, brilliant.
Chocolate fudge cake.
Oh, that one must be mine.
ये दोनों मेरे हैं. Some tea for you, okay? Your cup of tea.
Oh, you see, this is
But
what
no,
I
it's
normally
all-
get when we go out and get these snacks. Just a cup of tea versus everything else that she has over here for herself and for the baby.
He's too happy with
This
his
is my life these days.
Oh, guys.
Our train has now arrived. The steam coming out of the engine. Are you excited?
Very. Sahil ki choo choo. Sahil choo choo guy choo choo.
Chick chick.
Check out the steam.
So here is the engine. See, so much steam is coming out. Now we are about to go inside,
Yes.
and then you guys will see how it looks like when we try to enter the train.
Papa kar do daddy ko bye. Bye bye.
So there she goes. This is the entrance. Quite old school.
The first one that we saw in London together.
Yeah, I'm not good with movie names.
Murder
So
and
yeah, that's the one. I do remember watching that one.
Acha D7 hai na, hum this
Yeah.
is in it.
So this must be us.
Very
This is our
vintage
compartment.
feels. Wow.
Oh, it does seem like a movie actually. Now that I'm inside, for sure. Here's my cup of tea, and
Cute.
this is our little area, and those are the rest of the cabins.
Stand here. Water.
And yeah, looking forward to the journey. This is the start of our journey. Train is now moving.
Isn't this good? Khushi ho rahi hai. So
Yeah, now he's finally happy.
Bye bye
He
kar
was
do. Bye
getting
bye.
a bit restless
Bye-bye.
because obviously the
Sahil,
train
bye-bye
was
kar
just
do na.
static,
Bye-bye.
but now it's moving,
Yay.
and he's saying bye bye to everyone on the platform.
Very good. Bye. Doggy. Dog. Bye. Sahil, you have to say bye now. Oh, देखो यार, आंटी रखी है सबको सिर्फ बाय कर
she will
रही
say
है.
bye as well.
So cute.
Yeah.
Bye. Sahil say bye. Sahil say bye. Sahil say bye bye. अल्लाह हाफिज कर दो. Bye bye. कैसे कहता है साहिल bye bye?
I don't know about you guys, but I love walking around in the train when it's moving. This is like because especially the older trains, because of the way they move. About to come out from the tunnel, and baby found his seat. His makeshift version of the high chair in this train. Hello, are you enjoying
Hi.
Batman today?
He wants me to leave his hands.
Yeah.
Majestic views, ठीक है ना?
Amazing.
बाहर जरा check करो. साहिल
That
आप
is nice.
उल्टा बैठे हुए हो पता है? Killing the whole point of taking this train, Sahil.
It actually looks beautiful today. I think, yeah. We always get lucky with the weather as well, even though we never take that into consideration when we are planning these trips. But alhamdulillah, we always get good weather wherever we go. Control everything. I mean, he wants to go in the actual, what do you call it, the driver of the train,
Oh.
and drive it himself. That's what he wants. A nice, beautiful lake there.
Oh.
Yeah, this is how the car runs, yeah? Train runs the same way as well? Okay. Yeah. Everything is around Lake District. A lot of sheep here. I always used to tell Mira that they are fake because when you're driving past them on the motorway and stuff, you can't really see their movement, and she actually believed me.
For a second.
Yeah. is moving. There's some tourists. Hello.
Say bye.
Here is one of the lakes. Quite a nice road there. Yeah, I know, it's beautiful. Honestly, people use these kind of words a lot these days, like majestic or just mouth-watering. This particular moment, I guess all those words apply here, in my opinion, anyway. Again, a narrow gap, so I'm gonna try and be careful as Mira suggested. Capture some of the mountains from here. Let's zoom in. People who are living there are so lucky to see this kind of view every single day. बेबी ने तो फुल माहौल डाला हुआ है, हमें भी थोड़ा डालना पड़ेगा तो गाने शाने हो जाएं साथ.
ओए होए, हाँ मैं सोच रही थी वैसे किस दिन बड़ी बात की है.
The Batman.
चलो जी.
Batman for today.
गाना ऐप.
Music is on.
Fantastic.
And the baby is enjoying even more. So is the mummy.
हमने अपनी पार्टी लगा ली है, ठीक है ना?
Had to be done. Had to be done.
अपार्टमेंट बुक किया और बस पार्टी हो गई है.
Yeah, this is our cabin.
Wow, please, वो देखो मुझे कौन.
What's that? Oh, look at that guy. I'm gonna try and say hello to him. Hello, mate. Yeah, see, he waved back, so he heard me. And this lady as well. Hiya. Okay, we just arrived at our destination.
Let's go back, man.
Quite a lot of boats over here. So we were hoping to get a boat today as well, but
But we
I
dropped
guess
the idea.
yeah, we thought it's going to be
started.
cold, but yeah, the weather turned out to be quite good today. Yeah, he was traveling with us. He or she, this dog.
Oh, do you know what that place is in the corner? Lakes Aquarium.
I have a surprise for you.
बताना जरा.
This is actually my boat.
बकवासी नंबर 1 इतनी बड़ी छठी मारी है माय बोट्स में बैरो.
Yeah, I've got. I'm a leading shareholder in this boat.
प्लीज वो स्टीम ना मिस करो.
Would you believe me if I actually go inside?
आई वुड. जाओ जरा, शाबाश. जाना जरा.
I'll save it for another day.
हाँ जी.
Yeah. Oh, look at this view though. Jokes apart, guys.
हम अभी इस पे ऑन बोर्ड होते हैं, ठीक है?
Yeah.
पर हमने ड्रॉप द आइडिया. चलिए तो.
Honestly, if you are watching outside the UK and you haven't been to UK before, this is well, Lake District as a whole is probably one of the most sought after places in UK. So I would highly recommend if you guys are ever in town
10 on
to come
10
and check
for
it out,
the
please.
views,
Yeah.
for the food that you
Yeah.
get.
Yeah.
The fish you get here is amazing.
Yeah.
Dessert तो फिर हमने खाया था ना.
Yeah.
Fish हमने last time खाई थी. We didn't have time this time.
Yeah, yeah.
Or so many sports, so many activities you can take part in. Boating, cruising,
Yeah.
train rides.
Especially in the summer, it's even better. I guess it depends on your choice. If you prefer winter, that's good in its own right.
of course.
Because we came in
हमें तो
Christmas
बड़ा
last
मजा आया
time.
था
It was really nice and secluded kind of environment.
That's true.
But today, I guess it's a bit busy.
So this is another attraction. Another thing you can do here if you're down in Lake District. You can catch the train first and then hop on for a boat ride. We dropped the idea because of the weather. लेकिन बड़ी बिस्ती हुई है
Yeah.
क्योंकि weather actually अच्छा हो गया.
Yeah, but obviously we have a young baby with us, mashallah. So we
Yes.
have to be extra mindful
Yes.
when we're making these decisions.
Yes.
Long drive ahead for us. First, we're going back to Morecambe, and then from there, a journey back to London. So we'll see you guys there. So we are about to leave to go back to London, and Mira insisted that how can we go back without having another set off? Yes, that's the one, basically. But this one is actually not your typical fast food. This is actually grilled burger.
Oh, you got a hat.
It's quite nice. I think that's why this one is which one is giant with an inclusion of hash brown. So
So the
yeah,
size is the
just gonna
same.
tuck
This
in
is a
and
regular
enjoy the
one, and
meal.
this is a giant one. It's just
Okay.
that the giant one has a hash brown in it.
Oh, okay, that's all. I thought they're probably gonna have
Yeah,
dual
you got like a
chicken grilled fillet or something, but that's not to be. So we're just gonna have our meal now before heading back. Okay, see you.